What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on Western Union, and in this specific one I'm gonna teach you how to change receiver name, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, how to change receiver's name on Western Union Money Transfer. So to avoid any transfer delays, of course, you need to make sure that your receiver's name is exactly as it appears on the government issue ID. So the changes are allowed on only regular money transfers if mistakes happen, and you cannot make changes to money orders, bill payments, direct to bank, prepaid money transfer, or telephone money transfer. You can make a significant change to your receiver's name by filling out the self-service form. The form applies to both transfers made in person and online. If the changes are minor, just do the following: visit the website, logged in, and show the recent money transfers, select show details, and if your money transfer is eligible to money change, you'll see an edit receiver's name link. If you need a form, as you can see here, the receiver's name change form, you just type in receiver's name change request form Western Union and it will appear over here, and you just need to fill it out and submit it. So guys, that would be the entirety of the process on how to change receiver's name on Western Union. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.